Challenge 12. Given a string of two letters that has the first letter before the second letter in English alphabet. Write it in such a way that it returns the complete sequence of letters, starting from the first character and ending with the second character. So we have a method challenge and get a string str, and let's the code. I create a rest variable, a string. Rest is a string that's empty, and so for loop, and int I is str and index 0. For example, we have a string n and z, and a string index 0 is n, and int I is ASCII code of n, and so I is less than str index 1, and this is z ASCII code, and I plus plus. And in for loop res plus equal, we have char, convert to char, and I is ASCII code, and outside the for loop return res. So let's test. CW console.writeLine and challenge, for example, n and z, and for example, so Control C and Control V, A and S, run. So N to Z and A to S. So for example, capital letters, S and Y, and we have this result.